This is the first in a series of highlight clips looking at the intro videos we have published to this channel that you may have missed. We have covered learning to code, giving guidance to those thinking of taking up programming. We have also explored self-learning AI systems, and the rise of the robots, albeit ATMs, and their effect on banking jobs, plus a possible more gentle rise to total AI control and what it means for us. And finally, we have also looked at the evolution of computers and where they are likely to lead.
Thank you for watching today's video. Please feel free to click on the link in the description below to discover more videos.